basically you need to weigh your paste. So it's basically a firm, you can see that it's kind of a firm paste. So it's got to be diluted down so that then it turns into a liquid. So I've weighed that, and then I typically dilute my paste with 2 times whatever the paste weight is. I dilute that times 2 with the water. So in this case, I've got 88 ounces of paste, and so I'm going to multiply that times 2 to come up with 176 ounces of water. So I tear out my scale again, and then I'm going to add the 176 ounces of water, and then we're going to put it on the burner right there and actually cook it at sort of a low simmer for quite a few hours until the whole thing is diluted. So you don't want to use too much water or it'll be too hard to thicken, because you're going to have to re-thicken it a little bit to be able to have it at a usable consistency. But you don't want to use too little water or you're never going to get your paste diluted. So